In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from USA to Nigeria using Sendwave. By the end, you'll be comfortable moving funds quickly and securely, with a clear view of what happens at each step. Start by opening your Sendwave app. Make sure your internet connection is stable, so nothing gets interrupted mid-transfer. Log in with your account to access your dashboard. This home screen is where you can start sending money, review recent activity, and manage your recipients. To begin a new transfer, tap the recipient section. If you're sending to someone new, you'll add their details. If they're already saved, you can select them from your list. Before you enter anything else, change the recipient's country to Nigeria. This ensures Sendwave prepares the correct delivery options and currency for your transfer. Next, select the payment method for delivering funds to your recipient. Choose bank transfer, which is the most common way for money to arrive directly in a Nigerian bank account. Now enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears with their bank to avoid delays. Type in their mobile number, then retype it to confirm. The phone number helps with notifications and verification, so accuracy matters. When you're confident everything is correct, tap Save to store the recipient's details. Continue to the send screen. Here you'll choose how you want to pay for the transfer on your side, pick the payment method you prefer, then enter the amount you want to send in USD. After that, continue to send to review the summary. Sendwave allows you to send USD from the USA to Nigeria, and it converts your dollars to Naira automatically. You'll see the live exchange rate and any applicable fees before you confirm. So take a moment to review the total the recipient will receive. If the rate and fees look good, and the recipient details are accurate, click Confirm Transfer. That's it. The recipient will receive Naira in their Nigerian bank account based on the bank transfer option you selected. Many transfers arrive quickly, but actual timing can vary depending on the bank and network conditions. Keep an eye on your app for status updates and let your recipient know to check their account balance. A few final tips: double check names and numbers to prevent returns, review the exchange rate to understand the exact amount in Naira, and use the same recipient profile for future transfers to speed things up. Thanks for watching and happy sending with Sendwave.